Hi there, this is Parth. Welcome to new video. And in this video, we are going to discuss about the two different technologies that is used for the AC. First is the inverter kind of AC, and the second is a dual inverter kind of AC. Let's first discuss about the inverter kind of AC and how it is different from the normal that is a non-inverter kind of ACs. So first let's talk about inverter kind of ACs, and in this ACs what exactly happens is we have a compressor motor which works as respect to the temperature. In the non-inverter kind of AC, what happens is irrespective of the temperature, when you switches on your ACs, and then when you switch on your AC, then it will just switch on and switch off continuously irrespective of the temperature. So in this particular process, when the motor switches on fully and switches off fully, then the amount of electricity that will it consume, it will be very much as compared to the inverter kind of AC. However, in the inverter kind of AC, what happens is we have a one compressor and the one motor which works with respect to the temperature. So whenever let's say your room is cool enough and it doesn't require to be cooling more, then the compressor motor works at a very low speed and very less amount as compared to the non-inverter kind of AC, which works irrespective of the temperature. So in this particular inverter kind of AC, the requirement of electricity will be very less if we compare with the normal non-inverter kind of AC. And also when we talk about the noise operation, then as in the non-inverter kind of ACs, motor switches on and switches off too frequently, then the noise that will be created by those ACs will be very much if we compare with the inverter kind of AC. And the inverter kind of ACs, we don't get that noise if we compare with the non-inverter kind of AC. And also the inverter kind of AC is very much power efficient if we compare with the non-inverter kind of AC, and that is pretty useful because the AC itself is a device which consumes a lot more power already. So if we can reduce it by using some good technologies, then it will be a great, and that is what the inverter kind of AC is doing. Let's talk about the dual inverter AC technology, and this technology has been recently developed and it is very superior from the normal inverter ACs. In this technology, what happens is let's say you are having a 1.5 tonnage of AC and your room size is pretty less. So if you are having a dual inverter ACs, then what happens is the amount of load that is required to cool your room will be divided between these two compressors. So whenever let's say your room is not having that much of temperature and it is a cooling requirement is less, then these ACs can work as a normal 1 ton AC or even the 0.5 ton AC according to the requirement. So the load will also be divided between these two compressors, and also the motors that are being used in this kind of ACs are very what you say power efficient. Also it will be run at very noise free operation. And also if we talk about the operation, then since the load will be divided between these two compressors, then the amount of electricity requirement will be less. And also these compressors motors are running with a very low speed as they are both working and load requirement is less. Then it will be run at very low speed, and also the amount of noise that will be created will very less as compared to if we talk about the normal inverter kind of ACs. So that was all about the dual inverters AC and the normal inverter kind of AC. I hope you find this video helpful, and what I have shared information in this video will be helpful to you. And if you like this video, then keep subscribe, share, do comment if you have any questions, and I hope to see you in my next video. Goodbye, take care.